Right, Mr. Alcorn, thank you. We've just done a couple of implants for yourself, and we're just about to show you what you've had done. I'll pass you the mirror, just tell me what you think.
Oh, amazing.
Happy with them?
Oh yeah, delighted. Yeah.
How do they look? Match well?
Yeah.
2 front crowns there on the implants.
Yeah, no, and they match really well. That's good.
That's right. How did you find the experience of having implants?
Well, initially I was terrified, I would say, but the experience wasn't as bad as I expected. In fact, it was fine. And the healing process was really good. Within 48 hours, my mouth felt fine and back to normal.
Right. Is it something that you'd recommend to anyone else?
Oh yeah, yeah. If they look like this, yeah.
Yeah.